Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. So in this video, continuing to learning about conditional formatting, we are going to learn a very exclusive feature, that is formula-based formatting. So that is to highlight the cells or to highlight or giving a different format to cells. This is the formula, not basis any specific figure, but this is the formula, and it is quite an exclusive feature. And yeah, to learn about many other these features, please like, subscribe, and share our videos. And yeah, let's start now. Here's the data of employees of in a company, along with their names, hire date, the number of years they have worked with us, the target sales, and the sales they have actually made during that particular period. And I want to highlight those cells only in this column E, that is sales column, uh, in which it is indicated that sale is higher than their target, to know that which employee is has done better than their targets. And to do that, I will take help of conditional based formatting, right? And let's see how to do it. Okay, so I just uh, select this column, go to home tab, and then go to conditional formatting, then go to highlight cell rules, and then select more rules. Yeah, so as I have come here, I will choose use a formula to determine which cells to be formatted, right? And then I will write my formula here, like this, equals to E1 is greater than D1. So if this condition is fulfilled, uh, Excel will highlight that cells. I will just give it a format so that we can see the difference. Yeah, so if the formula is fulfilled, if the condition is fulfilled, it will highlight my cells. So many of you must be seeing that I have just wrote E1 versus T1, right? But in this feature, it will not apply to E1 or D1, but it will apply to the whole cells, whole column. All right. So let's see how it works after I click OK. Yeah. So wherever the sales actual sale is higher than target, those cells are highlighted. Let's see it by filter, by color. You see, in all these cells, our sale is higher than targets, and for all these employees, they have make the sales higher than their targets and achieved more than their targets. Means very their performance is very well for the period. And for now, I will remove this filter, and yeah, for and this is not just the case. You can just apply that filter whether it is less than that or greater than that. Not just that, we can always make a complex, little bit complex formulas here. Let's see. Giving you an example, wherever the sale is uh, even higher than 95% of the target, even then cells will be highlighted. Uh, Seems difficult, right? Difficult to be done in conditional formatting, but no, it is not, because it is very easy. Let's see how we can do that. And I don't have to remove that this cell rule. I'll just edit it like there. Go to home tab and manage rules. Manage rules is very easy, like we have discussed in our previous video. That's episode 2 of conditional formatting. If you haven't watched that, please see that video and you will know how to manage our rules. Now in this video, let's see how to edit this rule. So previously we have done that if the E1 is higher than D1, then our cells will be highlighted. But in this case, I want if E1 is greater than uh, 95% of D1. So I just multiplied it by 95% and press OK. And now it is edited, and now I will apply this. Yeah, so it is successfully applied. Now I will just press OK now. So wherever the sale is higher than 95% of the sale or the target, right, in that case, in all these cases, our cells are highlighted. Yeah, so it is as easy as that, uh, as simple as that. And now, yeah, if you like our content, please like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends. And yeah, thank you. Happy learning. Bye.